In this lesson, we're going to learn how to find the area of parallelograms and triangles. Some of this might be review. First, let's remember how to find the area of a square and of a rectangle. To find those areas, you would do base times height, or length times width. So looking at figure A, a square, it is 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters. So you would do 5 times 5, which equals 25 centimeter. And remember to square your unit when we're looking for area, finding area. For your rectangle in figure B, it's 10 centimeters is the base, the height is 3 centimeters. So 10 times 3 is 30 centimeter square for the unit. Now, a parallelogram is just like a square or a rectangle, but it's skewed, slightly tilted to a side, as you can see. Therefore, to find the area of a parallelogram, we use the same formula, base times height. The one thing we need to remember, though, base times height from where the 90-degree forms, from the base and the height. Let's practice. All right, in the first parallelogram, we know to find the area, we need to multiply the base by the height, where the base and the height form a 90 degrees. So the base of this parallelogram is 20 centimeters, multiplied by the height of where the 90 degree is formed, so that is 12. Bring down the 0, we're multiplying the 2, and we get 240, and don't forget the unit, centimeters squared. Now the bottom left parallelogram, again, we can see the base. The base is 6.7, and the height from where the 90 degrees form is 10. If you multiply 6.7 times 10, just move the decimal place one spot, and we get 67 centimeters squared. Now this next example, as you can notice, we have the base is 7, and the height of where the 90 degrees formed is on the outside of the parallelogram, and that is completely fine, because we could even move this line to the inside and it would be the same height, 4 centimeters. So we would take the base, 7 centimeters, multiplied by 4, and that would give us 28 centimeters squared. Okay, in this question, we're finding a missing dimension. If you can see the base, we have 9.4 centimeters, but we do not have the height. So we're solving for the height in this question. Remembering the formula, area is equal to base times height, we need to first solve for the area. So let's use a different base. We'll use 13 centimeters to form the other side, and notice how it forms the 90 degrees with the 9 centimeters. So to find the area, we would do 13 times 9, and that is 117. So now we can substitute that into our equation. Area, which is 117, equals the base, which is 9.4, times the height, what we're solving for. Let's divide both sides of our equation by 9.4, and height is equal to approximately 12.4, and our unit is centimeters. And you can check your work by multiplying both your base and height. So 9.4 times 12.4, that gives us approximately 117. And using the other base and height that we're working with, if we turn the figure around, would be 13 times 9, and 13 times 9, as we did, is also 117. So this works. So the height is equal to 12.4.